Judge Python str include Chinese. I want to define a function, checks if a string is contained in Chinese. For example, check underscore contain underscore Chinese, it returns true. Check underscore contain underscore Chinese, XX, it returns true. Check underscore contain underscore Chinese, XXX, it returns false. Could someone give me some advice? I'm a freshman.
Check for the range of Unicode characters to find out if a character in string belongs to Chinese characters or not. A Google search tells me all Chinese characters fall between \U4E00 and U\U9FFF. You may want to verify that yourself.
There are 6 Unicode maps for Chinese characters. Just check if code of any character in your string fits the 0x4E00, 0x9FFF interval.
All existing answers here confuse the CJK, which represents Chinese, Japanese, and Korean characters with Han characters, which only represents Chinese characters. It's easy to tell whether a character is CJK but harder to tell whether a character is Chinese, and the standard is changing. New characters are being added always. But in practice, people usually use U\U4E00, U\U9FA5 to check whether a character. CJK characters out of that range usually cannot be displayed by common Chinese fonts. Sometimes CJK radicals supplement, Bapamorpho. CJK strokes should also be treated as characters, and they are not even in the CJK unified ideographs, \U4E00, U\U9FFF, but they are common and important in the Chinese writing system. Reference: CJK characters. CJK unified ideographs. Unihon database lookup. GB 2312 to Unicode. GB 12345 to Unicode.